Hari Om Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavanto. Sree Rudram Anuvakam 7, chapter 7. 16 mantras are there. I will chant all the 16 and I will decipher for first 8 and the next session the balance 8. And before that, Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Dirgha Aishman Bhava. Stribhyah Dirgha Sumagali Bhava. Sarvamangalani Abhivriddhir Bhavatu Tadhastu. The entire Anuvagam 7, chapter 7 has 16 mantras, and the Rishi is Romarsha. She is a Rishika and she is a daughter of Brihaspati, married to Shvanaya. And because of her looks, the king, he was a king. He hesitated to marry her, but then because of her prowess, the skill in Vedic chanting and Vedic mantras, he marries her. He marries Romarsha. Romam means in Sanskrit it is hairs. She had a probably disabled hair. In Malayalam also we say Romam. And even in Bhagavad Gita, Sanjay says in the last verse. So that's okay. That there are, and the Chandas is Anushtup Chandas. There are 7 Chandas in Krishna Yajurveda: Gayatri, Ushnup, Anushtup, Brihati, Pankti, Drishtup, Jagati. So this is Maha Anushtup Chandas. Devada is Rudra only. So I will chant the mantra and then I will decipher word by word meaning. This is Anuvagam 7. Namo Dundobhyaya cha Hananyaya cha Namo Drishnave cha Pramrishaya cha Namo Dhutaya cha Prahitaya cha Namo Nishangine cheshu dhimate cha Namaste Kshneshave cha Yudhine cha Namaswayudhaya cha Sudhanvane cha Namasrutyaya cha Pathyaya cha Namakatyaya cha Nipyaya cha Namasudhyaya cha Sarasyaya cha Namo Nadhyaya cha Vaishantaya cha Namakupyaya cha Vathyaya cha Namo Varshaya cha Namo Medhyaya cha Vidyudhyaya cha Nama Idriyaya cha Tapyaya cha Namo Vatyaya cha Reshmiyaya cha Namo Vastavyaya cha Vastupaya cha. This is the entire 16 mantras of this Anuvagam 7, so I will take first 8. Namo Dundubhyaya. Now here, again everything is in the dative case, that is to and for. That is referring to Lord Shiva. Strangely, cha will come everywhere. Cha means I am not explaining again and again. It's a conjunction. And. And Namaha is also left out. Probably it is inferred here. But let us see the words as Artha, the meaning. Namo Dundubhyaya. Dundubhi means what? Drum. Dum, dum, dum. We know the big drums. And we have seen in the Shiva Sadas, in various parts, the pictures also. The drums will be by the Kingaras. Namo, now it is Dundubi. For the Sanskrit students, Dundubi is a Ikaranta Punlinga Shabda. So either if it has to take Hari Shabda, which means Haraye, that is not there. Dundubhyaya, Rama Shabda. Akaranta Punlinga Rama Shabda only. Dundubhyaya, how it is possible? Or if it is independent word, it should take Pati Shabdham, Patye. I told you always there is a irregular verb endings for this Pati. It goes to Pataye if there is Pashu Pataye. That is if it is a compound. It takes the word Pataye. Yakaranta comes and Ye. But if it doesn't have a compound, standing singular, then Patye. That's a grammar. Now how it comes? Yes, there are Vedic grammar. There are exemptions when compared to Panini's Ashtadhyayi or Patanjali's Bhashya or Vakyakaram Vararuchim, I told you. There are some exemptions, but Panini, later on referring to Vedic Sanskrit, he tried to bring in. So, and he has given various exemptions in Bahuvrihi compound or in Tatpurushaha compound, Taddida Pratyayaha. You can refer verses 4183, 4th book, chapter 183. Verse numbers, or 841, 8th book, 4th chapter, and the first verses. Now there are exemptions he has given. That's all deep grammar. So this one takes as a, under Tatpurusha compound, it takes as a Ramaha Shabda. That's why Dundubhyaya, not Dundubhye or Dundubhyaye. So both are correct, you see. So Dundubhi, Ikaranta Punlinga, drum. So, Namo Dundubhyaya cha Hananyaya cha Hananam. Hananam means striking. Hananam is there. It's a Hantum and all. We have a Tumun Pratyaya under the Kritanda format in the Kartari Pratyaya Prayogaha. So, Hananam is correct. Hananyaya. It should be Hananaya, but Hananyaya, Nya will also come, Ya will also come under various grammatical rules. So, striking the drum. Now, here there is not an ordinary just striking the drum. This concept I would put, because Shiva's Rudradhandava, I have already told you how Fridge of Capra saw the Rudradhandava in the Californian beach in his mind, and then he was searching for God, Lord Shiva. He understood that the swirling of the universe is because of the Rudradhandava of Shiva. So, boom, boom is sound. It is sound which, of course, when the first 3 seconds the light was there and the sound came. Light is energy which is Adivara Shakti and matter. So the sound came. So the sound comes from the drum. That signifies. That is why they said, why they should bring Dundubi here, drum here. It is not the way of really worshipping a god and all, but there is a significance. Shiva's Sadas is there. I am not saying no. You cannot dispute it. But the Rishis understood a deeper concept through the Rudradhandava, the creation of the original universe, the first 3 seconds. How the sound came. So, Namo Dundubhyaya cha Hananam, dham dham, striking. To that. So, everything dative case, to or for. So, to the Dundubi, to the Hananam, to the striking force. See, when the earth was formed, when the universe was formed, there was a big sound, one crashing against each other, one striking against each other, meteor striking, planet striking, bursting, stars, galaxies striking. Then only the burst came. The moon crashed on the earth, actually, and it went separately as a meteor. Something crashed, a meteor crashed on the earth and it blew the earth, and 1/3 of our earth size is the moon. So the crashing took place, the striking took place, Hananam took place. So Namo Dundubhyaya cha Hananyaya cha Namo Drishnave cha Pramrishaya cha. Drishnave, again they are taking the Drishnuhu is there. Ukaranta Guru Shabdaha, Gurave, to you, all dative only, to and for. So I am not going to again and again explain. Everything to. Drishnave, Dhr and Dhru are 2 dhatus. If you want to take Dhr dhatu, it is conquering, it is power, it is overruling, it is commanding, it is seizing and all. Dhru, Dhru means fixed. Dhruvam. Dhruvanda Raja Varuno Dhruvande Vo Brihaspatihe Dhruvanda Indrascha Agnischa. Like we have seen the way, Dharayatam Dhruvam. So, that is fixed, like Dhruva Nakshatra. Dhru means wearing. So, he is conquering every atom. That's what I am interpreting. Anuhu. Dhru is to wear also. Dharami, Dharayami. From the Dhru you can conjugate, but there are other meanings given by other texts which I am not accepting. Which I feel that this should be a conqueror of every atom to him. Drishnave, Gurave, 4th dative case. So how it comes? Namo Dundubhyaya cha Hananyaya cha Namo Drishnave cha Pramrishaya cha. So he strokes every atom. See, Mrisha means stroke, touching, smoothly, touching. Though they may say send across and all, I am not accepting that. It cannot be. Mrishati, Mrishayathe and all, Atmane Padam or Parasmai Padam, stroking gently, touching, like Sparshanam. So, pra is a upasarga. Vishesha padaha, it gives 22 upasargas, I told, it gives force to the noun. It is a prefix. And there is a suffix in Sanskrit, all the stems. I will come to that. So, Primrishaya cha. So, Namo Dundubhyaya cha Hananyaya cha Namo Drishnave cha Pramrishaya cha Namo Dhutaya cha Prahitaya cha. Again, pra is there. It's upasarga. Dhutaya, messenger, to the messenger. What type of messenger? Namo Dhutaya cha Prahitaya cha. Hita means interest. Loka hitam mama karaniyam. There is a famous Sanskrit song also. Interest, incitement. So he incites. Being a messenger, he gives messages, the matter, the knowledge. Shiva means knowledge. So the knowledge, the science, what is an atom, what is a meteor, what is a planet, what is a system, solar system or so many systems, what is the Milky Way, what is the Andromeda galaxy, how many galaxies. So the knowledge, he is a sender. Dhutaya cha, he incites you. So prahita means insights, to the inciter. So namo dhutaya cha prahitaya cha namo nishangine cheshu dhimate cha. Nishanginaha, I told you nishangin. Arrows, cheshu, dhimate, cha, ishuhu, cheshu, a. See, ishuhu means e. So a plus e becomes che. That's why it is che. It should be cha. And ishudhi. Ishudhi mat is a adjective. So if you want to take ishudhi mate, if you want to take marut shabdaha, fourth is mate, marut mate. Or you can go to the locative, that is the possessive case, sixth Shashti Vibhakti, Rame. So that also becomes Ishuddhi Mateta. Ishuddhi Mat is an adjective, it's a verbal adjective converted to a noun. Panini's exemption is that it fits Panini's grammar. So Namo Ishuddhi Matecha. So how it comes? Namo Dundubhyaya cha Hananyaya cha Namo Drishnave cha Pramrishaya cha Namo Dhutaya cha Prahitaya cha Namo Nishangine che Shudhimate cha. To that, to Dhimate. So if you want to take the fourth or off, Chadurthi or Shashti. Che Shudhimate cha Namastikshne cha Yudhine cha. Cha plus Ayudham. Ayudhan, one who is having the ayudas. So Atman Shabdham Atmane, fourth dative case, to him who has the ayudham. So before that, what is there? Tikshne Shave. Tikshna means what? Cha Ayudhine. Cha Ayudhine. Tikshna means sharpening. Tikshna, Tikshna. Again, if you want to take, again you have to go to Tatpurusha compound. Or Taddida Purushaha or Bahuvrihi, because it refers to a male. And Tikshnaha, for students they will say Tikshnaha is Akaranta Punlinga. Tikshnaya should be there. But Tikshnave, Gurave, how it can come? See, if you want to take that Na as a Nu, Anuhu, then Ukaranta Punlinga will come. So Gurave, Tikshnave, correct. So there is some interpretation, there is some way of fitting the poetic meter. So Tikshna means sharp, sharp arrows. Tikshne Shavecha Ayudhan. So is to him who's having sharp arrows. That means sharp energies. Here again going to physics. What are arrows? It is the shooting of energies throughout the cosmos. The tongue, it has the sun, it has its tongue. It shoots down frequently fireballs. That's called the tongue. Flames of the sun. In the cosmos, you see meteors shooting meteors, clashing suns, clashing galaxies, shooting out energies. See, that is why rishis depict it as arrows, because arrows have power, destructive power generally, right? So and they are sharp. So shooting stars, the tongue of the flame, they are all sharp. They are not just blown like a gas, visible to everybody, but you can see the shooting meteor in the cosmos. So Namastikshne Shavecha Yudhinecha. So how does it come? Namo Dundubhyaya cha Hananyaya cha Namo Drishnave cha Pramrishaya cha Namo Dhutaya cha Prahitaya cha Namo Nishangine che Shudhimate cha Namastikshne Shavecha Yudhinecha Namaswayudhaya cha Sudhanvane cha. Nama Swa Ayudha. He himself is the weapon. He himself is the matter, energy, everything. Swa Ayudha. Ayudham is a Napumsaka Lingam, but from the third Vibhakti, Napumsakam and Punlingam both are same. So that's why Swayudhaya, Ramaya. So Swayudhaya cha Sudhanvane. See, he is, Su is a Upasarga. Pavitram, purity, Mangalam. Dhanva, Dhanush, Bho, Bum Bum sound. So he is the person behind discharging all cosmic energies through what you depicted as arrows. Shooting of stars, shooting of energies, the tongue of the sun, the flames of the sun, everywhere in the cosmos, if you see, shooting will be there. So, Namas is the Ayuda, Swa Ayuda. Namaswa Yudhaya cha Sudhanvane cha Namasrutyaya cha Pathyaya cha. What is Sru? It is not Shru. Shri, that is Shra, Shravanam, hearing. But the point is, in Vedic Sanskrita, in many places in the Veda, the Sarpam Sa is used. So Namasrutyaya. Srutya means it's to the hearer, to the giver of to the hearer, because he gave the Vedas. From the Shiva's Damru, the Vedas came. But he also hears your chants. So you are requested to chant Rudra, Rudram, Chamagam, all these mantras, Shivashtakam, Srutyaya, to the hearer. Namasrutyaya cha Pathyaya cha. Pathyaya, they will say, sending across. Patha means, Patha means pathway, the road, the marga to bliss. He not only hears your mantra, but he is the Patha, Pantha and all we say, no, Patha, Path. So he is the pathway to him. Pathyaya, the Yaya will come. Aya, if you combine in the Sandhi, Pathyaya, not Pathaya, Pathyaya. Again, Bahuvrihi and Tatpurusha compounds and Tadvida Pratyaya and all is there. So, Namasrutyaya cha Pathyaya cha Namakatyaya cha Nipyaya cha. So, this is the 8th. So, today I am ending with this. Now, what is Katyaya? See, Katya is an adjective. It's a verbal adjective noun format. Katya means deep hole. It's a perfect Samskrita basic translation. There are some other applied meanings. That applied meanings I am not going to bring in here. What is the basic rule? Monteir-Williams dictionary or any other dictionary you can refer. Katya means hole. Katyaya, to the deep hole. That's what it means. I will come to that. Katyaya cha Nipyaya. See, ni they will say bringing, or ni from the dhatu ni, ani tavan, anayami and all, bringing and all. No. Neep is another very strong meaning, is again profoundly deep. You can check. They will say foot of a mountain and all. There are so many interpreted meanings. No. Nipya is an adjective which is deep to the hole. What is here? Black hole. What is black hole? Full of energy. Steve Hawking's discovery, black holes, recently in 1965 or 70s, the famous British astrophysicist, the handicapped person, black hole, not even light can escape, full of gravity, it will swallow everything. And because of the black hole being available in the center of this Milky Way, the solar system goes around the black way and it takes 233 million years for one round, for one rotation around the black hole. Just like the earth and its earth takes 365 days to go around the sun. Everything is spinning only, spandanam only. That is why we bring, rishis are not like that. They appreciate Bhagavan through physics, through creation. So, Katyaya cha Nipyaya cha. So, this 8 is over today. I shall continue and complete the Anuvagam balance 8 from 9 to 16, the next session. Till such time, Bhuyat Tavat Shubhamangalam. Please subscribe to my channel for the continuity. Till such time, Hari Om. Dhanyavad.